Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you like our videos, please join us on YouTube by hitting the subscribe button. You'll get all the updates to our weekly content, sometimes daily content. Taking a look here at Twitter. I was going to say Ripple, but you can follow Akash and I on Twitter. You can follow Akash at Mangeko and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look at Ripple here. I mean, Ripple has been real source of annoyance for bulls and bears. I mean, it was positioned beautifully for a bearish drop back on the 27th of October, where we had that big dip below the cloud. However, the Chiku span was halted right up against huge support where it was at with the Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen, the bottom of the cloud. That's where pretty much you saw Ripple get halted there. I mean, it's also right along that psychological important number of $1 even. But ever since then, we've recovered, the entirety of that drop on last Wednesday, and it's positioning now for a very, very nice breakout above the cloud. So all of the conditions that need to be met for an ideal Ichimoku breakout within the Ichimoku system will be present if Ripple can close above at 116 even. At 116 even, that will put the close above the cloud. It'll put the Chiku span into open space above the candlesticks. Everything there will be set up very nicely for that kind of a move. I don't remember if we went over the 3-box reversal entry from if this was here last week or if this was in an article, but there is a triple top developing here. Also, let me just hide this very quickly, but where's that risk group? There it is. There is a triple top that will form at 116 even, and then in the point figure system, the entry would be at 118 even. This is the 2-cent 3-box reversal chart, and from there, the vertical target is up at 150, and that would be my target if it gets up to 118. Next level will be at 150. On the bearish side of things, really that long setup is invalidated if Ripple drops below $1. But that has been the story over the last month or two, where if it gets to $1 or below, it'll have some type of big drop that we haven't seen follow through by the bears. Bears are either unwilling or unable to push it below $1, so that may not occur. But nonetheless, that is the setup that I see. And I'll pass it off to you, Akash.
Awesome. Just okay. So what I see on Ripple is this consolidation pattern where the price is getting squeezed between this. Okay, this was a liquidity zone that I just talked about last time, and Ripple did dip into this. Actually, it went below that. So this ranges from approximately 0.99 to $1. And so right now what's happening is it's getting rejected. It got rejected by this particular downtrend for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And it's finally broken above it. But I still wouldn't long XRP, at least until it closes above the 50 fib here at 1.13. And even after that, right, if we get a close above this, it will be a good 8% run where you don't have to worry about downside. But after this, it encounters this supply zone here, ranging from 1.23 to 1.41. I think this was from a 1 week. Hold up, I don't remember this. 1 second. Actually, let's just move it to here. Right, so this 1.31 to 1.41 is where it's going to encounter this supply zone here. So I'm expecting it to close above it to, at least for me, to flip bullish on XRP, right? So once we get a close above 1.41, I'm going to go like not giga long, but maybe like extremely bullish on XRP. And in that particular case, I'm targeting at least $2. Which kind of not coincides with the 161. 161 is around 2.32, but that's where I'm looking to take profits, right? And if you the theoretical targets for this symmetrical triangle Although usually in bear markets we measure from top to bottom. This measurement goes from the bottom to top. So since it's broken out from here, an 80% upswing is what the theoretical targets predict, and that puts XRP at $2. So that's what I'm looking for XRP from a bullish perspective. But I do have to add a but here, which is since I am bearish on Bitcoin, obviously if Bitcoin does drop to 51K, then this pattern is gonna get invalidated, right? So in that particular case, I'm looking at down here to this support level, 0.944, which would obviously invalidate this pattern. But in an extremely bearish case, I'm expecting it to bounce off of this support level here at 0.85. And as I discussed it in my other videos, this 0.85, 0.84 aligns perfectly with this parallel channel's lower trend line, as you can see here. Approximately around 0.85 is the level where I'm looking for XRP to show some kind of reaction if it ever comes down here. So these are my views on XRP from a bearish and a bullish perspective. That's it.
All right. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.